Are you tired of juggling events like a magician with too many things to handle? Let me introduce you to your new event managing sidekick, the Events Calendar Pro. Hey, my name is Joseph and welcome to Sleekr Digital. Whether you're organizing concerts, conferences, or community meetups, this tool takes care of the heavy lifting. You can customize event categories, times, and even set up recurring events. No more repetitive entries. And it's not just for tech wizards. The simple, user-friendly interface is perfect for beginners too. Mobile-friendly? Check. SEO optimized? Double check. Customization? Absolutely. You can tailor the calendar to match your website's look. Plus, it integrates with Google Maps and email notifications. So, your guests always know exactly where to go and when. No more last-minute confusion. If you want your events to run like a well-oiled machine, the Events Calendar Pro is your MVP. It's powerful, customizable, and honestly a lifesaver for anyone managing multiple events. And let's be honest, who doesn't want their events to be this smooth? The Events Calendar Pro. Because your time is better spent attending events, not managing them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the tutorial series of the Events Calendar Pro.